Welcome to my Bajerski YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Missed you all, love you all. I hope you enjoyed last night's meditation. It was only a little one. It was just a bit of a guided meditation to open you up a little bit and think about how you can create your own guided meditation. I used to love guided meditation. I've got to admit, I really loved it when Shirley did it to me. I used to come home feeling refreshed, on top of the world, and actually I feel great today, even though I've had fell asleep after working on I don't know how many crystals, some moldavite and tektites joint I combined. I've got about 30 of them I worked on last night. Then I worked on Bramberg rings and some other beautiful bits and pieces, and some cavern sites I worked on last night, and I think I fell asleep at 4:30 in the morning, so I was meditating all the way through with them while I was working pure energy healing on the crystals, which was fabulous. At the same time, I worked on the meditation last night with you guys, so I thought, oh yeah, I haven't done any kind of offer just yet, even though anybody who goes to markbajerski.com and spends €10 gets a ticket to be able to be in with a chance of winning. I think there's 20 prizes now. I'll put another one in there, a couple in there. Wild Horse, Tourmaline, and some others I put in there in amongst the beautiful blades of should I get it? You've seen it anyway. Yeah, I'll show you. Should show you. Yeah, so it's kind of growing now. Blades of Light, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous piece, and then all the other pieces. So I've just entered that one into it as well, which is gorgeous. And this one, beautiful cobalt. So, oh, and yes, look, gorgeous energy. So there's about 20 pieces in there now. So yeah, look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. So there's some beautiful pieces here. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. So each one of these pieces will be part of, I think it's in about 12 days. I will raffle these off, so every 10 gets you a raffle ticket. So if you spend €50, you get 5 raffle tickets. Got that right today. So yeah, why am I doing this video today is because we've decided to do a lovely kit for meditation. So last night I was wearing these, which are very beautiful, very gorgeous. They're from Bali. They're made with love by beautiful people, and they are the real McCoy. Rudrashka beads, mala beads, beautiful. So that's what you'll get in the kit. You'll also get this gorgeous blue calcite, and basically you wear your mala, you hold on to this, cleanse yourself down prior with a beautiful set of these incense sticks, which is awakening and protection sticks. They're gorgeous. You only need to do it for three minutes. That's it. So you'll just use about that much of the stick. So you've got 6 sticks. They'll last you for ages. Then you'll have this beautiful bottle of Lemon House, and it's the Sacred Mist. So always remember, when it comes down to halfway, fill it back up, and you'll always have this full, and it'll last you forever. So just don't forget to refill it every time it goes halfway or a little bit. But as long as there's a few drops in there, it will still retain the memory. Then you'll get this beautiful awakening oil, which is great. You would be, oh, by the way, you spray this 3 times maximum, 4 times. Just don't need to spray it on that much. The awakening oil, I like to use it third eye, behind my ears, throat and heart, but you can continue and use it here, rub it in your hands, breathe it in, and wherever you feel. Some people like to use it on their temples. Just before you do that, you'll get this bottle as well, which is Agua de Florida. So just put a little bit in here, there. Breathe it in 3 times, and that will cleanse and clear you and get you all ready. So it's a lovely little kit. We're also going to do free delivery with that, which is DHL, which is anywhere between 28 and 38, 42 now, I think. So listen, this is going to come to you. It's not going to be a couple of hundred, which I think it's around €200. It's going to be 120. So we like to cap it at 120. So I'll pay for the DHL delivery. So you're getting a great deal, and you'll be able to do some lovely meditation with me in the near future as well. So we keep doing meditation together, so this will be a perfect thing, because I will continue using this and these as I do. And I think we can really hit some beautiful places of deep cleansing and clearing and awakening. I think meditation is one of the most beautiful things, even though by some kind of strange, I don't really know what's going on, but the world is really becoming inverted. But as far as I'm concerned, in my experience and the thousands of people that have come here and learned meditation before we start our work have benefited so much that they've cleansed and healed themselves of great illness, of mental issues that they had. Me, I cleared my irritable bowel syndrome by going to circle nights and meditation and sending healing. I cleared my corroded back. So you can, and a lot of other things, that I'm a much better soul than I was before. More sensitive, but still fantastic in so many ways. That sensitivity has really helped me heal and help heal people. So I hope you appreciate this wonderful, we're going to call it the meditation kit. And it should get to you in a few days. So I'm going to make, 20 kits. So the first 20 people hopefully will get it, and then we'll put it back to its normal price, which will be, I think, over 200. So yeah, if you see it there, redacted, very good. Breaking news, Julian Assange one day raps a stunning testimony. Can't wait to watch that. Please God, if there is a God, let this man out. Can you imagine speaking the truth, being one of very few in the world who are and still are what I call journalists? There isn't any anymore. They're all bought and paid for. But the one true journalist that actually spilled the beans and pointed out the evil that government does gets thrown into prison. Can you imagine? We live in a world of insanity and evil. Anyway, shut up, Mark. Let's do some meditation with our meditation kit. Yeah, pray for Julian Assange, guys. Love you all. I'm just going to watch this now and see what's happened. Love you all. Take care. Bye. Thank you so much. I'll leave a link below to this beautiful kit, and I hope you're one of the lucky ones to get it. Take care. Crack on with work, Mark.